Hi, my name's Andrew Fawcett, and I'm a registered clinical counselor. When there's a stress or some sort of change going on in the family environment, everyone is having a different emotional experience. And oftentimes it's harder, especially for parents, to attune to their children or to one another under stress. So we naturally go into what we have as coping mechanisms that are lifelong ingrained. Emotion focused therapy is really about slowing down and staying with the process. So, what is coming up for you that's maybe telling you it's not safe to share or to be yourself here, or that's causing you to retreat or get really, really big and loud and scary? What often comes up is this vulnerable emotions, right? So, fear, sadness. There's this longing to connect and to lean on one another. I think a lot of people maybe get afraid of their own feelings. It's too much. And there hasn't been the experience of someone else saying, I'm okay for you to have your big feelings. In my work with clients, I'm really intentional to hold really a wide lens of their sense of identity. So a lot of people get stuck in this me culture that we're a part of. I'm the problem. If I can get fixed, then my life will be just fine and dandy and everything will go on. But really, what we're looking at is we're saying that you're a relational human being. You have a physical body that we get a lot of attention on, but the relational sense of self that is emerging from your ancestors, from your family of origin, from the relationships, the people you work with, the people you rub shoulders with on the daily. Those are all kind of creating and maybe affirming stories about yourself and others and how you relate to the world. So being curious about what makes me me, I think is an important question. Why am I the way I am? What's me outside of what you can see here, right? I would hope that you would walk away from our time together with a sense of inner trust, that you can feel a little bit more ease in following your own instinct. I'm hoping to provide a compass or connect you more with your internal compass. If that can be a little bit more pronounced and a little bit more directive of your life, I think I would be really satisfied and really gratified with the work that we've done together. I would hope that clients would also leave with a sense of connection with not only themselves, but also the people in their lives that they really love and care about. We can start to create a bigger, wider change that creates a more hopeful and optimistic future for not only ourselves, but our next generations. The world is a better place because you are here and you belong, you matter.